Okay, another video for the mommies and the daddies that are getting these guys. I have one still available, and they're really feathering out beautifully. Yeah, hi. Hi. So they're just chilling and hanging out, so I thought I would take a little video. Look at the blue, blue. And this little one, this is the youngest with the gray. Yeah. Whoop. And some blue, more like mommy. Hey. Like we don't want to be on film. I'm going to get you anyways. Yeah. So there they are. This is Hulk and Princess Sue's babies. I do ship. They're English Budgies. They're larger than the American Budgies, quite a bit larger, and they have big poofy heads when they're grown. If you have any questions, private message me. Kiku and Hoshi Duman on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and share the video if you know someone that wants some really great English Budgies. And I have more coming. Already have some eggs. So from the unrelated pair that is in there. And those two are Blue Boy and Serafina. So there they are, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Is it pretty? Yeah. Hey. Hi. This blue one's always been kind of shy from the beginning. I'm not sure why. Just kind of shy. They're all different.